Hey there! In this video, we're diving into everything you need to know about OBD-II trouble code P0108, also known as MAP, or Barometric Pressure Circuit High Input. Let's break down what the P0108 code actually is. The P0108 code is set when your vehicle's engine control module, or ECU, detects a problem with the signal coming from the manifold absolute pressure, MAP, sensor, or the barometric pressure sensor. If that MAP sensor output voltage is above its normal range for given engine conditions, the ECU can no longer accurately determine the amount of air entering the engine. And when that happens, it throws the P0108 trouble code to let you know something's wrong with the MAP circuit. Now let's talk about what the MAP sensor actually does. The manifold absolute pressure, or MAP sensor, is responsible for measuring the air pressure inside the intake manifold. From this pressure reading, the ECU can determine how much air is entering the engine and how dense that air is. This information is incredibly important because the engine control module, or ECU, relies on it to calculate the correct air-fuel ratio for efficient combustion. In simple terms, the MAP sensor tells the ECU how hard the engine is working, so it knows exactly how much fuel to inject. The more air entering the engine, the more fuel is needed to maintain the proper air-fuel mixture. Now let's know why P0108 gets triggered. The engine control module, or ECM, continuously monitors the MAP sensor signal to determine engine load and calculate the correct fuel injection and ignition timing. To make sure the sensor is working properly, the ECM doesn't just look at the MAP sensor by itself. It performs several plausibility checks, comparing the MAP reading with other engine data such as throttle position, engine RPM, and barometric pressure. The MAP sensor typically receives a 5-volt reference signal and a ground from the ECM. It then sends back a voltage signal that changes according to the pressure inside the intake manifold. As a general rule, the higher the manifold pressure, the higher the MAP sensor voltage. With the key on and the engine off, the sensor typically reads around 4 to 5 volts. At idle, cruising, acceleration, and wide open throttle, the voltage changes as shown in the table. If the MAP sensor output voltage stays high, typically less than 4.5 to 5.0 volts, for more than a brief time, the ECM recognizes that something is wrong with the MAP sensor circuit and triggers the P0108 trouble code. If you'd like to test these sensors yourself instead of just replacing parts and hoping for the best, check out Chapter 9 of my book, Engine Sensors and OBD-II Codes Explained. I cover the complete step-by-step multimeter testing process, making sensor diagnostics easy to understand, even for beginners. Now that we understand what P0108 means and how it gets triggered, let's cover how to reset it. Sometimes error codes like P0108 appear due to recent maintenance or temporary glitches, and they may clear up after an OBD-II reset. To do this, you'll need an OBD-II scanner. Simply connect the scanner to your vehicle, follow the instructions to clear the trouble codes, and see if the P0108 code reappears. If the P0108 code reappears, it's time to look into some common root causes of P0108. Now, let's go over some of the most common root causes behind the P0108 error code. One of the biggest, and honestly one of the most overlooked causes, is a loose MAP sensor connection. Before replacing any parts, start with a thorough visual inspection. With the engine turned off, locate the MAP sensor and carefully inspect the surrounding components. If your engine uses a vacuum hose connected to the MAP sensor, check that hose closely. Look for cracks, splits, loose connections, or sections that have collapsed. Even a small vacuum leak here can cause incorrect pressure readings and trigger a P0108 code. And one more thing, Don't just fix the problem and forget about it. Log every fault code, repair, and maintenance task in Carvio. That way, you'll always have a complete service history and can easily spot recurring issues. Download Carvio today and take control of your vehicle's maintenance history. Another very common cause of the P0108 code is a dirty MAP sensor. Over time, dust, oil vapors, and other contaminants from the intake system can build up on the MAP sensor's sensing element. Since the sensor is constantly exposed to incoming air, contamination is more common than many people realize. When dirt and oil accumulate on the sensor, it can no longer accurately measure intake manifold pressure. As a result, the readings sent to the ECM become inaccurate. Even a thin layer of contamination can cause the sensor to send weak, delayed, or incorrect signals. And when the ECM sees MAP readings that don't match actual engine operating conditions, it may trigger the P0108 trouble code. The good news is that this is often one of the easiest problems to fix. In many cases, removing the sensor and carefully cleaning it can restore normal operation. Use a dedicated MAF or electronic sensor cleaner and gently spray the sensing element to remove dirt and oil deposits. One important warning: never use carburetor cleaner, brake cleaner, or other harsh solvents. These chemicals can damage the sensor and turn a simple cleaning job into an expensive replacement. So if your MAP sensor looks dirty or contaminated, cleaning it may be all that's needed to eliminate the P0108 code and restore proper engine performance. If you want to read more about any other OBD-II codes, you can visit our website obdcode.org for a full list of codes and their meanings. Next, another possible cause of the P0108 code is a faulty MAP sensor itself. While MAP sensors are designed to last for many years, they're not immune to failure. Constant exposure to engine heat, vibration, contamination, and normal wear can eventually take a toll on the sensor's internal components. When the sensor's internal circuitry or sensing element begins to fail, it may send inaccurate readings, intermittent signals, or sometimes no signal at all to the ECM. And the moment the ECM detects a MAP reading that doesn't match other engine data, such as engine RPM, throttle position, or intake air conditions, it recognizes something is wrong and triggers the P0108 trouble code. A failing MAP sensor will often cause noticeable drivability problems as well.